Hi guys! Again, nandito ako sa labas. So, nandito ako sa mall ngayon sa restaurant. Ano bang restaurant to? But anyway, so this is my new Hollyland wireless microphone. And nakakabit na yung wireless microphone ko. Kanina nag-record ako ng voice, ng sound ng iPhone 60 Pro mic lang yung gamit ko. And eto nga, charging siya. Meron akong iPhone 12. Meron akong USB Lightning transmitter for old iPads and iPhones. So again, this is the Hollyland Lark A1 wireless mic test, sound test. So pag naka-blue siya, ibig sabihin walang noise cancellation. I set the noise cancellation to low level. Ang quick press lang, nag-green na siya, ibig sabihin activated na yung noise cancellation level low. So, ito yung sound test niya, hindi ko alam how it sounds on your end, but this is the noise cancellation with lowest level. Sound check. Sa paulat. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. Now, let's turn off the wireless mic and let's try the other modes. Sound test. So, ito yung walang noise cancellation again, naka-off. So, maingay yung background ko. So, ayan, I have a lot of people around. So, ayan. Yan, paganahin ko na lang ang aking Pro. So, I have a lot of people around here kasi nasa restaurant nga ako. So, eto naman, I will activate the noise cancellation again. Nasa medium yung level ng noise cancellation ko ngayon. I don't know if something changed. Hindi ko alam, husgahan nyo na lang. So, ayan na po. This is, again, sound test. This is the noise cancellation level medium. Kasi kanina low. Okay, so, ayan po. So, I don't know how it sounds on your end. So, again, you're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. It feels like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. Ngayon, let's turn it off. And let's try to check naman yung highest noise cancellation level. In the meantime, let me turn it off. So, ito naman yung back to off noise cancellation tayo. I don't know kung ano yung output ng sound sa inyo, but definitely maingay yung background, kumakain, mga staff sa restaurant. So, anyway, let me turn off the video and change the noise cancellation level to maximum or high. Hi guys, so I'm back. Tayo naman ako this time. So, sorry. So, eto, wala na naman tayong noise cancellation. And now I have changed the noise cancellation settings to high. So, let me activate this. Okay, so now the noise cancellation is already on high. Hindi ko alam kung anong dating dito ngayon sa inyo. Yan lang. So, for Hollyland Lark A1, I wish the light indicator is somewhere outside the button kasi kapag hinawakan ko yan, maliit lang yung nails ko. Hindi ko na makita kung na-off ko ba siya o hindi. But anyway, so again, this is the noise cancellation level with the highest level. Ini-invite na ako ng mother ko na sila naman mag-video o umalis na because tapos na yung aming ganap. So, ayan. Hi. So, lumayo na ako guys dito sa aking camera. So, let me go somewhere farther. Nakikita na yung nanay ko. So, I don't know kung malakas pa rin. Dito tayo banda. Dito na. Hi. Dito na may birthday celebrant. Hi. Happy birthday, Tita Aida.
Thank you, Dayan.
So, So, nandito kami ngayon, birthday ni Tita Aida, friend ng mother ko. But, eto, I'm testing again the wireless mic, A1 Hollyland. This is the highest level, so di natin i-test natin mamaya kung maganda ba yung noise cancellation ng wireless mic na to. Okay? Well, that's all guys. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.